going to Hong Kong.
Thank you, Lord. At natuloy na nga po finally ang aming Hong Kong trip. Yes po, at nagmetro nga lang kami this time. Hindi na kami nagdala ng sasakyan since ilang araw din kami wawala. Nag-online check-in kami pero pumila pa rin kami since separate yung booking ng mga bata. At dahil separate ang ending, hindi rin kami magkakatabi sa eroplano. At eto na nga, sakay kami ng tren papunta sa boarding gate. Medyo madaming pasahero. And here we go, vlog takeover.
And then this is me. And then we're at the airport. I'm going to Disneyland, and I'm gonna celebrate, guys. So, mommy, so you have to say something.
Hi, we're leaving. See you.
Yes, this is just my normal birthday, and soon it's gonna be a very big one. Guys, we're going. Guys, go.
Hi! Sa daming sinabi ni ate, finally, dumating na rin yung tren namin going to the boarding gate.
Please stand clear. المغادرة إلى بوابات المغادرة نود تذكير المسافرين أنه سيتم
Hi, Daddy. And then hi, Mommy. We're at the airport, and today's my birthday, guys. It's gonna be my actual birthday first, but I'm gonna have to go to Disneyland. Yay!
Medyo malayo rin yung nilakad namin papunta sa boarding gate namin. At eto na nga, pumila na kami para makapasok na kami sa eroplano. Boarding!
Here, I hope that was that.
At eto, umupo lang kami ulit saglit since mahaba pa yung pila ng pagpapasok sa eroplano. Guess we're on time. Minsan daw medyo maraming pasahero. Pero yeah. Sobrang excited na po ng mga bata. Siya nga pala mga mi, first time naming magkatay Pacific. So paano, share namin soon ang experience namin. Bye-bye!